There are heated debates about what teachers can do to improve education. There's lots of good ideas, but if I could give only one piece of advice, it would be keep it real. Since my book, Hip Hop Genius, came out, I've had the privilege of traveling the world, speaking with educators about what lessons we can learn from hip hop. Being authentic to who you are and really doing things instead of just talking about them, these are paramount values in hip hop culture. Many of our students live their lives according to these principles, and if we don't do the same as educators, we lose their trust. One of the best ways educators can keep it real with our students is through project-based learning. Too frequently, schools are set up to strip students of their identity and their individuality. Academic work is often standardized and irrelevant to students' interests, cultures, and communities. Project-based learning offers an alternative, giving students voice and choice in what driving questions they will answer and what products they will create. Allow students to keep their schoolwork real by making it relevant to who they are and what they love. Requiring students to publicly present their work ensures that it has real meaning to them and a direct impact on the world. Here it is from a real student.
United Way came to a staff member at my school named Dario and basically asked us to do a song around the child's brain development from ages 0 to 3. And we researched things that we could put into the song to make it relate to us as well as the cause that we were representing.
When a project came along that offered the chance to combine his passion for music with an important issue affecting young people, an issue that had touched his own life, Isaiah decided to dive deeper into studying science.
You get to actually see how cool it is, how cool different parts of science can be. It just makes you want to continue to learn about it. That's why I've pushed this project so far.
Domestic calls to our house, cops at our door, guns drawn in the air, telling us get on the floor.
Isaiah and his classmates studied the causes of traumatic stress and its effect on children's brain development. Then they wrote a song analyzing the research's implications on their own upbringing. By crafting Isaiah's education around projects, staff at the High School for Recording Arts aren't just keeping it real, they're keeping it real world. Like HSRA, there are schools around the globe that are structured around project-based learning. Individual teachers at more traditional schools are making this happen in their classrooms. Ideally, educators can structure learning environments to enable students to spend significant time out in the community and to invite in real-world professionals. At schools where the walls are not so permeable, if teachers put student inquiry at the center, today's technology makes it possible for students to connect to the world in meaningful ways. How can you, whoever and wherever you are, engage young people in an authentic manner? How can you empower students to create work that's relevant to their lives? How can you connect their learning to the real world? Whether it's making beats, designing sneaks, or giving a speech, the best learning happens when we keep it real.